purple is definitely the color, and the M240 is definitely the car. Welcome back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today, BMW M240i, we're testing out a couple new configurations. We're testing out some new exhaust tips, which are sticking out a little bit far right now, so don't look too close into that. We're just testing some new configuration items on this car, but the car is a M240i, it's a 2024. The car is rocking our full catback exhaust system, and it does have a free flow downpipe installed. And so we figured it'd be a great way for us to showcase to you guys. Done another video on these cars in purple indeed with our full catback system already, but we wanted to make some more content to show how good this car sounds, how flexible it is, and show you why Valvetronic is the best experience. Startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations, launch control, GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, you guys are going to get the good fortune of sitting next to Shane and I and enjoying the exhaust sound from the inside. And maybe we'll bring the owner in at the end and see her reaction to the new exhaust. Let's get to it. So one of the lovely things about these BMWs, which I know, because I had an M5, where's the key? Please wait. Aha, is you can remote start the car and fucks with the valves. Very nice. And now you can hear me again. And now you can't. Fantastic. I don't know if this car is tuned or not, but
you'll find out.
I guess we'll find out. From my very astuteness of knowing how these cars operate, this car is totally tuned. Ooh!
Has
yeah, it has like a
really
like an
cool
RB
tone.
sound. Wow.
It's so interesting. All these B58 projects, they all have different sounds.
They all sound different, yeah. Dude, this might be the best sounding B58 we've heard. Listen to this at like 3,000.
Sounds good.
Femto car.
Could just be a piggyback.
Huh?
Could be a piggyback.
No, there's no way, because a piggyback tune wouldn't give you the pops. That would just give you more boost pressure! Wow. Like that sound I've not heard from a B58 before.
Yeah.
But
can go back to
bone stock. By the way, viewers, Shane and I are just having a blast in this video because we know the car sounds good. We know it's flexible. You guys have seen videos on this car before. We're just out here having some smiles. Making smiles. Making noise and smiling.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Oh, Jesus.
The whole front end lifted.
Yeah. That wasn't a slide like this, it was like a
Here we go. Look at these guys. What the fuck?
Yo, what are you doing? We gotta make sure we're putting all the clips on a damn internet.
Tuned.
This thing does everything. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely tuned. Under 5,000? I'm not on the throttle. Not bad.
Whoa.
What?
That's a little drift pad if I've ever seen one.
That's a drift pad.
I don't know
Lake
about that.
John. Pond. Is that? No, that's not a lake pond. Not a lake pond. It's a
Fucking damn
reservoir. Valves closed. A lot of intake noise. Very reserved. Sounds good. Nice and flexible. Very noisy.
Those are definitely flames.
No. Some ricochets. I'm excited for the owner's reaction to hear the exhaust system. Go.
Look at all these birds. They're in the tree right here.
Whoa!
quiet again. They can hear you. Okay, give it a shot. So the top one is closed. Up there. And then the middle one is open. Oh yeah. There you go.
That's a big difference.
Alright, we're inside the 240i. We have the owner.
Hiya.
Paulina.
P-Tiller 521.
P-Tiller 521. You guys heard it here. Alright, so we're gonna go for a little drive. Get her first initial reaction. I'm pretty excited. I drove the car already. I know it sounds fantastic, but this car is tuned and it's very fast as well. I don't know what she's doing with this 240, but she's definitely going somewhere quick. So we're gonna go for a quick ride, just let you guys listen, enjoy, get her raw reaction, and yeah, that'll close out the video. So lots of overrun.
Really
yeah, it's definitely a lot louder than it was. But what's nice is you are from New York, right?
So I need to shut that off sometime.
Yeah, so on the turnpike on your way home, you can close it up. Close now. You can audibly hear the difference even at idle.
Okay.
See, it's much quieter. And it's still in sport too. So you still get some bass and aggression, definitely. But it's nice and quiet. We can have a conversation. I could whisper.
Yeah.
And then...
That's too convenient.
Isn't that great? That's too convenient. Yeah, pops and cracks are... I gotta wait for it to warm up a little bit. The pops and cracks are so loud.
They really are. That's crazy.
Isn't that wild? You better not set off those noise cameras in New York.
Oh God, don't even remind me.
How do you flip pops? Or like gunshots.
My neighbors are gonna hate me.
Hey, with the valves closed though, you'll be alright.
I'm not driving with the valves closed.
Start up. I mean, listen to that difference. Even with the pops and cracks, like,
Yeah.
isn't that crazy? Then
So that just closes the valves?
just closes the valves, so you can hear the pops now,
Okay.
and you hear them with them open.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy.
So yeah, when it's closed, it goes through the muffler casing.
Mhm.
When it's open, it just goes straight through.
This is exciting.
It's absolutely insane.
That's great.
The pops are crazy. Like right here. See what I'm talking about? Like the 4 to 5,000, it's like, it just has this incredible tone.
No, it
Straight
sounds
up
really
music.
good. Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Well, she knows how to rip, that's for sure.
No, that's great.
You're gonna enjoy this car so much more now.
Oh, I am. You should have seen me before. My neighbors
Yeah.
actually hate me now.
How long have you had the car?
Like 3 months.
Okay.
Actually, no, more now. 4.
That's crazy. See, I don't know why you guys would buy anything else for your M240i. Oh, that's great.
We're not even like fully ripping.
We're at 3K RPM.
That's actually crazy.
You see what I'm saying? With like the 4 to 5K, it's like gives you that RB
Yeah.
2JZ type sound. And then we'll close up the valves.
Can't even hear it.
You can't even hear it.
It's not an M240.
It goes from a M240i to a 228i. Extremely quick. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thanks to Paulina for bringing in the M240i. If you guys are interested in getting an exhaust for your M240i, hit us up, valvetronic.com. You can go on our live chat, or you can call the phone number on the website, and we'll be sure to take care of you guys. But thanks for watching.
Thank you, guys.
Happy to help.